Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
O alam nyo ba mga ka-KP, kung kayo po'y mahilig sa pinya, alam ba ninyo kung saan probinsya ang may pinakamalaking plantation po ng pinya? Nasa Mindanao po yan. Kaya samahan nyo po kami. Libutin nyo natin ang Mindanao, lalo na po dito po sa tinatawag na Pinya Capital of the Philippines. Saan po yan? Panoorin po natin.
It's a wonderful day, Philippines. I'm Secretary Juan Dateo of the Department of Tourism, and I'll be with you every Monday. Pasyalan natin ang mga natatagong ganda ng Pilipinas. I'm here today in the beautiful province of Bukidnon in Mindanao.
Pagdating sa turismo, may tuturing na world-class ang Bukidnon. Dito matatagpuan ang pinakamalaking pineapple plantation sa Asia at ito rin ang ikalawa sa pinakamalaking pineapple plantation sa buong mundo. Para sa mga young and young at heart, mag-e-enjoy nyo ang extreme activities sa Dahilayan Adventure Park kung saan masusubukan ang first longest dual zipline sa Asia. At ngayong Marso, mas naging makulay at masaya ang bakasyon sa Bukidnon dahil sa Kaamulan Festival sa City of Palaypalay.
Kaamulan celebration is celebrated every March of the year. We claim it is the only cultural festival in the Philippines. We are not allowed to present anything during the celebration without the consent of the Tribal Council. So lahat na piniperform, may consent yan with the tribal elders. We are very much concerned of their culture and tradition. And the very highlight of Tribal Council. So lahat na piniperform, may consent yan with the tribal elders. We are very much concerned of their culture and tradition. And the very highlight of Kaamulan Festival is the street dancing and gong presentation. Part of the celebration of Kaamulan is the 7 Hell Tribes of Bukidnon. Actually, this is their celebration. It can mean an attorship ritual, a wedding ceremony, or any Thanksgiving activities.
Nakamamangha ang mga tribo mula sa Bukidnon, ang mga Higaonon, Talaindig, Manobo, Matigsalog, Tigwahanon, at Umayamnon. Sa pagpapakita ng mayamang tradisyon at kultura sa inihandang katutubong sayaw para sa mga bisita.
Different culture or different tribes na ipinapakita ng bawat tribo, nakakainganyo siya. Also, the people in Malaybalay are very accommodating. You cannot feel na tourist ka kasi ipinapakita nila kung gaano sila ka-welcoming dito sa kanilang place.
It's been a wonderful day, Philippines. Samahan ninyo kami muli as we bring you the latest travel trends. Only here in wonderful Pinas.